Starting off with the super taper clipper, adjust your lever in the closed position and use the clipper over comb technique to debulk the length on the parietal ridge. Attach the number 2 guard with lever closed and continue to debulk the sides, creating a round shape. Use the beret trimmer to set your first round guideline behind the ear. Use this focal point to blend outwards into a round shape. Open the lever all the way to create your second guideline, half of an inch above the demarcation line. Adjust your lever to the halfway position to erase the bottom guideline. Attach your number 1 guard with the lever closed and begin to raise up your guideline half of an inch. Opening your lever all the way with the number 1 guard on, continue to raise the guideline in a flicking motion. Attach the number 1.5 guard with lever open and continue to raise up your previous guideline. Close your lever with the 1.5 guard to refine the dark areas of your fade. Attach your 0.5 guard with lever closed to refine and detail the mid area of the fade for a seamless look. Use the 5-star cordless detailer LI to bring down the skin contrast a bit lower. Next, use the 5-star cordless detailer LI to edge up and define the C curvatures of the sideburn area. Using no guard with lever open, refine and detail darker shaded areas of the fade. Use the 5-star cordless detailer LI to edge up and round off the back nape area. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Attach your number 3 guard with lever closed to bring down the weight in the front lineup area so that it will be easier to edge up more precisely. Line up and define the front, creating a nice sharp line with the 5-star cordless detailer LI. Use the beret to line up the facial hair. Finish with the finale shaver to create a clean skin look.